So today we're going to take care of the side panels here on the console, get them reinstalled and recarpeted, get the carpet back on them. We're going to take care of cleaning up these items in here and then start reassembling the dash and all the components back in that console. And we're not going to put the seats in yet because I have to redo some work on the seat belts, nor are we going to do the door sills today, but we will be getting to the rear hatch seal and replacing it, and then finishing up with the plastic molding that goes around the edge of the hatch. All right, the side console carpets are in on both sides. There's a couple little things that I have to do for gluing down that right there so it sits flush. I even have the new painted kick panel up there in the front of the carpet, and they look good. Just, like I said, there's just a couple things I got to do to get them to stay in place, but outside of that, looks good. On to the rear seal. So on the rear seal, my old one has separated from this, and that's supposing this slides on to this rail or this piece of body right there, like the new one has, will do. So it also broke right there, but yeah, that's supposed to be, so this separated from that. Oh, it's still connected right there. Let's see if we can get yeah, it's done with glue. So the glue gave way, and then this all gave way. So I'm going to take this off and start getting ready with the new one. The old seal. All right. Say to mark the center, start at the center, like so. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that like that, because I want to clean out this gully. right, so we got the new weather stripping in. Took me getting in and press fitting that piece up there in. It almost was like pressure fitting that piece across the top. It was almost as if it was too big, but once I got it pressed in, it went in fine. So it's in. Now I can go on to the molding. So we have the plastic in all the way around. I'm not happy with the fit on this thing. Doesn't seem to be sitting down where it was. And I've got one hatch lift piston started to go back in. There's also, I have to, this piece of plastic right here, that's part of the headliner, has to come up 1/4 of an inch and go over this to sit properly in here. And I can't get it there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the hatch and hopefully press fit the seal in overnight, and then I'm going to come back to those headliners. All right, so we got the pieces in. We got them mounted here. What I had to do was I had to take these not totally off, but I tilted them up, put them underneath this, and without this on this piece of molding, because it's really not needed, you know, I was able to get the side rear molding pieces underneath where they need to go and everything mounted. I got the speakers back in, right there and there. I got the lights, the side lights back in, and what's left is, for back here, is nothing. This is all done back here for what I want. I gotta re-vacuum it because, you know, shit fell in it. For in here, I have the seat belts left to do, the side panel molding or the step molding, and then it's the cover, the console cover, the stick shift, the boot. The new boot has already been attached to the piece of plastic. I still got to clean in there. I have a new handle, shift knob. The plastic piece up here, I want to go over and clean. I want to clean a few things in here. I still have to check this out in case there's some blowing lights, because these don't light up at night. I've already fixed the gauge cluster, so that works fine. And I want to check the lights to see what's up with them and why that headlight doesn't want to rotate up every now and then. It's like intermittent. And then it's the passenger door panel and seats. And this vehicle will be back in business.